This presentation is about cells, and cells is basically the basic functional unit of all living things. Surrounding the cell is the plasma membrane, and it separates internal metabolic events from the external environment and controls the movement of materials into and out of the cell. It's basically like border patrol or like the border, and it's made up of a double phospholipid membrane. So since humans have organs, cells have organelles. Organelles are the bodies within the cytoplasm that serve to physically separate various metabolic reactions that occur within eukaryotic cells. For instance, the most important is the nucleus, which is kind of like the brain of the cell. It's bounded by a nuclear envelope, contains the very important DNA, and manufactures ribosome subunits. And then now ribosomes. It consists of RNA molecules and proteins and assists in the assembly of amino acids into proteins. Organelles Part 2. Then there's the endoplasmic reticulum, which are maze-like channels, creates glycoproteins. Smooth ER synthesizes lipids and breaks down toxins. Next is the Golgi apparatus. It's a group of flattened sacs, collect and modify proteins and lipids and package them. Lysosome. There are vesicles from the Golgi apparatus, containing hydrolytic enzymes, break down food, cellular debris, and foreign invaders. And they contribute to recycling cellular nutrients. Part 3 of organelles is mitochondria, which carry out aerobic respiration such as ATP into oxygen. And then there's microtubules and filaments, and they're all involved in establishing shape of or in coordinating movements of the cytoskeleton. Next is vacuoles and vesicles, which are fluid-filled membrane-bound bodies, and vacuoles can only be found in plant cells. Cell junctions serve to anchor cells to one another or to provide a passageway for cellular exchange, and they include tight junctions, which are protein attachments between adjacent animal cells, anchoring junctions, which are tightly stitched seams between animal cells, and then communicating junctions, which are passageways between cells that allow the transfer of chemical or electrical signals. There are numerous terms that are used to describe the movement of substances between cells and into and out of the cell, and these terms differ in the following respects. They move across the selectively permeable membrane. It could be water or the solute, and then the movement of substances may occur from higher to lower concentrations. And there's different types such as bulk flow, passive transport, such as diffusion and osmosis, plasmolysis, countercurrent exchange, and vesicular transport.